guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be attempting to style my hair. If you've been watching my channel, if you watch some of my lock videos or just watch my videos period, you notice that I'm always wearing my hair down. I just feel like my hair is just too short to do any type of styles. I mostly do styles on my daughter's hair because they got length. They got shoulder length. And plus, like, I try to avoid any type of tension on my hair. So I feel like I owe you guys a video because I try to remember to record, like, whenever I'm styling my daughter's hair. I wash and style their hair every 2 weeks. And just yesterday, I styled both of my girls' hair. And I was like, as soon as I was done and I saw how good the results came out, I'm like, why didn't I record this? Like, Kia, what are you doing? Like, what's going on? So since I'm not gonna loose her hair out or anything like that, I was like, let me try to recreate that style on my hair. It's gonna be a big difference because her hair is much longer and mine is short. So I don't know how this is gonna go. You probably got a spoiler from the thumbnail. So if this video is going up, that means the style came out okay. But I'm gonna show y'all. I want y'all to see the struggle that it probably would take me to get the style. So that's the purpose of me recording this video. Let me go ahead and show you guys her hair. Okay, so this is her hair. Bend your head down. This is her hair. I just literally like did it all the way, everything to the side. So she wanted her hair all to the side. So I was like, okay, well, here you go. I just under braid everything. Stop trying to look at yourself. I'm just trying to show them your hair. And this is everything. Trying to stand up just a little bit so they can see. Yeah. So this is like I told you guys, her hair is much longer. So yeah, the style, it was a lot easy for me to do this style. I wish you guys can see. Stand back a little bit so they can see. Look, stand back. Look at the camera so you can see what I'm talking about. To get all your hair in. I'm trying not to fall, y'all. So this is what it looks like. Everything is pulled to the side, and all her hair is here. I don't want to make it up. Okay. Yep. So I hope you guys can see. I'm sorry. I'm like moving her head all around. I'm going to try to recreate that on these little... I picked up these rubber bands right here. What I like about this, what made me pick these up, is because these are the very thin rubber bands. And it has the clear ones. I figured that the clear ones would be better to use because my hair is red. And I would hate to have all like the black rubber band. Just like, I don't really want you to see it that much. So I'm going to be using the clear rubber bands. And yeah, so this is what it looks like again. Okay, you guys, I think it's a fail. I do like what I did in the back, but over here, guys, as you can see, I was struggling to figure out what the heck I'm gonna do with this. I tried to like pin it up, not working. It's too short. It's pieces sticking out. So I tried. Without me like pulling my hair to twist and pin down and all that stuff, like y'all. And then these rubber bands, don't get these. Don't. Not for dreads. Do not get them. I wish somebody could have told me through the camera who was watching, who probably have used these before. Do not. I thought they would be a good choice. I even went back and doubled putting in my hair, and I can feel them popping right now, so I already know like that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to just stick to the regular rubber bands, but don't use those. But guys, like this right here, I was like, let me use this to hide the mess on the side. That's why I didn't even show y'all that, because I just, no. But I do like the back. I do like the back. I like the fact, I see the fact that I could actually do it to myself. I'm shocked. I didn't know that I can. I never tried before. I even, so over here, I just took a spray bottle and I wet it up, because I know whenever my hair is wet, it's more relaxed and it will hang. So, because before you saw it was just like poking and sticking out everywhere. So I sprayed it up and tried to like damp. I didn't want to wet it too much because it's nighttime right now. I'm about to go to bed after this video. But I didn't want to wet it up too much. But I damped it a little bit to try to like get it to lay down. It did lay down a little bit. But it's still like this side, I don't know. I have to think, what could I do to better this side? Or I even tried attempting to do like the barrel twist, but my hair, it's just, on this side, it's just so many different lengths. So it's not gonna work. If your hair is longer than this, by all means, go ahead and try it out. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. I'm gonna go and take this out right now. If you like it, thumbs up. Try it out. If you do try it out, go ahead and like send me a picture, and Instagram. Send me a picture. Show me how yours came out. Did you even try, attempt, what? Like, let me know. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Toodles.